Oh man, so Taylor, I was on eBay the other day because I was really bored, and so naturally I searched poop, because I mean,
Why did you just poop?
well, yeah, I mean people sell body parts. Yeah, I mean, I wonder if people sell their poop too. And surprisingly, I found a lot of shit on there. You see where I'm getting at? So item 1 is a realistic fake human turd. Keep one in your purse for your next get-together. Buy 2 for visits to family or friends' houses. Price is $2.99.
$2.99 for a
Yeah.
fake turd. That's
For fake, that's a lot. I'd pay 50 cents for that.
50 cents
They
for a
might
fake
want
turd.
to change their pricing on that. The second item is poop crap turd head mask. That looks like the emoji. Anyone ever call you a shithead? This mask is great for any occasion, not just Halloween. Only for $28.88. Oh, people these days. Item number 3, fart stink spray and party pooper fake turd combo. Clear out a room with this little bad boy. Use it whenever you want to leave an impression. Price is $6.95. What would you do if I brought that to the show and just...
I would be so mad at you.
Oh, well, okay.
And I would also have a new co-host.
Oh, well, guess I'm gonna buy it then, huh? Item 4 is fake poop in a box, complete with shiny gold box and ribbon. Price $8.50.
$8.50 for a turd
You know
in
what
a
it
box.
looks like? It looks like almond roca
Almond-
melted.
That's what it is. They just
That's
melt
what it is, and then they froze it, and then it was hard.
And then they sell it for way more than the actual almond rocas are worth.
Yes.
So, like, their margins are really good.
Yes. So item number 5 is the farting fart alarm clock. This alarm clock allows you to fart your day off right. Price for only $19.49. I got it.
Yeah.
I get it.
Fart
I
your
didn't
day
get that when I read it online, but I just got it right now.
Fart your day off, right?
Fart your day off, start your day, fart your...
Yeah.
All right, we're good. So item number 6 is the floater.
Oh.
Great in hot tubs, bathtubs, shower floors, and the bed too. The price is only $8.99.
It's great in hot tubs, man.
That seems a little nasty.